Hey, what's up? So we released this very important feature in which you will be able to do the drag and drop editing of the pages that are made with the Flexi AI editor. So if you will see, we gave the single line prompt dog training webinar, and this beautiful page have been created. Okay, so a full blown next level good looking page with full animations, designs, content, everything that we want to see in a good looking page. So it has been created, right? So you can see it's beautiful with all the editing that we would want on a page, right? And all the content, everything. So this page is made, and let me scroll down to the bottom. Now, to edit this page, what you need to do is you need to click on publish. All right, let's say you publish it in demo. Okay, give it dog demo. Okay, and then you click on publish. Now the next level stuff that you are going to do is that you will be able to do the drag and drop editing of this page. This is something which allows you to do any kind of changes without just chatting with the AI editor. Yes, of course, you already have the option of chatting with the AI editor, and by chatting, you can do the customization of the design. But for all the basic level and even advanced level changes, you can just use the drag and drop editing, and the job will be done. So this page will take let's say a few seconds to load, maybe half a minute or maybe close to a minute it will take to load, and then the advanced editing option is going to be available, and that is something that you will be able to use. And yeah, so if you will see, the advanced editor is now here visible, right? You will be able to click on this, number one. Number two, this thing is gonna come up. Okay, and now if you will see, the whole page is now available. So this is like so beautiful. See, so any kind of changes that you want to do, for example, this is a button, and then in the button, let's suppose you want to change, let's say, the color of the button. You want to make it, let's say, greenish in color, right? So any changes that you would want to do, you will be able to do very quickly. Let's suppose on this headline, you want to play with the size of the headline. Let's suppose something like this, or maybe you want to, let's say, do the drag and drop editing of the text, or maybe let's suppose you want to change the image, or maybe you want to put a video over here. For example, let's suppose I can pick a video element, and then I can put a video from my YouTube channel, let's suppose, right? Let's say I want to put this video, just an example, and let's say this video is now live on this page. And then, like, just like the drag and drop editor has always been, you can do any kind of editing, right? So let's suppose you wanna go and change and tweak the background of this, whatever kind of editing you want to do. You want to play around with this, you want to change the image, right? So you can do simple drag and drop editing. You can even add the sections. There is one more thing which is very important. Okay, let me put this image first. So and yeah, all the drag and drop editing that you have always been able to do, and once you are happy, satisfied, you just click on publish. While you can also take care of all the other settings, for example, favicon, code, SEO, pop-up, whatever you want to put, so you will be able to put right on top of this, right? As well as you can do and save the blocks just like you have been able to do it until now. So you can save as a block and put it in another page. But the thing is that like the advanced editor blocks can only be used in an advanced editor. Now that thing is important, okay? So these blocks cannot be used in some of the, let's say, pages that you will build from the drag and drop editor by itself. Like this is a drag and drop editor only, but it has the advanced editor design and the AI made design. So the AI made page block can only go in a AI made page. Okay, so this is something which is important. So if you will save the block, it will only go into that page. That is first thing. And of course, you can do all the other things. For example, you want to add a new section, you want to make it 2 column, you want to do the full designing yourself, you can do that. Totally up to you, right? You want to put a pull of a headline over here or whatever content you want to add. So everything you can do just like you have been able to do until now, right? So the full thing is ready, good to go, and this is something which is actually next level. Nothing like this available anywhere right now. So yeah, too good, and you can start using it immediately.